Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Fab Pure Vlogging. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press bell icon to get more notification regarding my videos. Have a nice day everybody. This is Indian style dressing. And this is award show. Beautiful evening and beautiful time. ITA 23rd award. Beautiful time and beautiful day, evening time. This is very beautiful place, jumping, but not to be too long jumping, it's very short jumping. This is very beautiful environment and very beautiful atmosphere. You can say it, I love nature, nature love you. And love yourself. Be happy, be confident. This is my dinner time, veg dinner. This is my fashion style, photo shoot time, blue dress, blue style. This is very beautiful beach and very beautiful time. This is also very beautiful time. Now you can see it. Very wonderful, very beautiful. I love nature. I love water. I'm water baby. This is dinner time. This is swimming time. Dive into relaxation, cool off this summer. Swimming time, beautiful water. I am water baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Love yourself. Confident is the best outfit, but sunglasses help too. This is my unique style sunglass. Water time, water baby, and beautiful blue water. Swimming time. Enjoying video. For more video, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press bell icon to get more notification regarding my videos. Have a nice day everybody. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Love you guys. Subscribe. And this is Feel the Breeze. Hear the waves. Goa calls you. This is Goa beach. Very beautiful beach Goa. White skirt, white style, and unique combination of my dressing. This is again IT Award 23rd. Very beautiful dressing and very beautiful style.